it twinkled there, it sprinkled sparkles everywhere. Here and there, it danced with clouds and waved at the moon, it hummed a happy, wiggly tune, a happy tune. But when the sun said time for bed, the little star bowed down its head. It yawned and stretched and closed its eyes and left a glow across the skies. Soft as a sigh, so warm and true, that golden glow was thinking of you. So when you snuggle warm and tight, that star is hugging